This is the truck parking I had. Now it's time to leave. That's the inside over there. Go through those doors to the left, driver's lounge, showers. Go over here, 7-Eleven, towards the back, Panera Bread and some other restaurant I can't remember. But that's it. You got parking on the other side of the lot too, on the other side of the building for trucks. Not as much as over here. But it's time to head to Indianapolis. This is the first parking area when you cross the Ohio line from 76. Keep going, it'll be 80. It should take you into Youngstown, and 76 takes you into the east Youngstown. We're going east Youngstown about 20 miles or so. Y'all have a good day. From the road dog, peace.